Pour 1 spoonful of coffee into the sink. See the effects instantly. Everyday products can have surprising uses, and this method is a great alternative to chemical cleaners. It's an easy way to freshen up your kitchen and bathroom with minimal effort. Prepare a large bowl and add 3 tablespoons of ground coffee, which absorbs odors effectively. Then, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, known for its cleaning properties, and pour in 1 cup of vinegar for its disinfecting power. Mix everything until you get a uniform solution. Once ready, pour the mixture into the sink or basin. Let it sit for a few minutes to activate the ingredients. Then rinse with warm water. You'll notice how it removes buildup, eliminates bad odors, and prevents dirt accumulation. It can also help keep pests away. Try this natural method and see the results for yourself.